In this video, we're going to show you how to wind the bobbin on your sewing machine.
So here I am at my Janome Sewing Machine, and I'm going to show you how to wind your bobbin. So first of all, I've selected my thread. So when I'm using a small reel of thread, as I have here, I'm going to use the small thread keeper. If I have a larger reel such as this one here, I'm then going to use the larger thread keeper so that will hold the size of the reel securely on my sewing machine. So I'm going to wind a bobbin now. So I'll take off my keeper, and then I'm going to place my reel of thread onto the keeper here, and you'll notice that I've placed the brand of the thread. So whichever thread you're using, I happen to have Goodman on this one here. So I have the brand on the left hand side, and then I'm just going to put my thread keeper there that will hold my reel in position. So then on the top of my Janome machine here, it actually has an illustration as to how I thread my bobbin. So it shows me that I will take the thread from the reel to the tension. So the thread is going to go securely between the tension clip here. So it's nice and firm, and I give it a wriggle to make sure it's actually engaged between the two discs there. And then my diagram shows me that I'm going to place the thread into my bobbin. So I'll start off by just cutting a nice clean thread, end of my thread, and in my bobbin I have a little hole. So from the inside of the bobbin I have fed the thread through the hole. Then I'm placing the bobbin on the bobbin keeper there and push the bobbin to the right to engage my machine to thread the bobbin itself. So you can see that I have about 12-15 centimeters of thread up in the air, and so I'm going to just slowly thread the machine. And so once the thread has had 3 or 4 little circuits there, I'm going to stop, and then I'm going to clip my thread very close to the bobbin so that I don't have a loose end of thread popping up here, which sometimes can jam in the bobbin case itself. So when you are winding your bobbin, just wind at an average speed, as you can see here. Don't plant the foot and go as fast as you possibly can like that, okay? Because what will happen is that if you wind the bobbin at a high speed, it actually stretches the thread slightly, so that when you go to stitch, particularly on lightweight fabrics, the thread then relaxes and can cause some puckering on the seam. So just on a steady speed, as you see there, is ideal. So you'll be able to fill the bobbin to the maximum, and the machine will stop once it is full. Now, a little tip for you: when I'm actually winding my bobbins for a new project, I will wind at least 2 bobbins so that I've got them wound in readiness. So as I am constructing my garment, if the bobbin has run out, I've got a second one ready to go straight into the machine, so I don't have to unthread my sewing machine to use the second bobbin. So that's how you wind your bobbin. Push the bobbin back to the left, pull it up to the top, and then just clip the thread. And I haven't fully wound this one, but just to show you, it is now ready to go into the bobbin case.
We hope you enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe to our sewing channel, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.